Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to this brand new video for the channel. Now this question comes along not only in the industry that I actually work at, but every industry in the world. When it comes to making money, you always are wondering, hey, how can I make X amount of money on a daily basis? And what are the strategies? I mean, what's the secret of making that amount of money? Well, this YouTube channel is in regards to day trading. And that's why in this specific video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $100 per day doing day trading. And I'm gonna show you, of course, what are the tools that you need, what is it that you need to learn, and more importantly, how you can start making today money from home. Are you ready? If you're new into my channel and you're into binary options, forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you guys get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Hey, and before I actually jump into this video, I just want to give you a warm invitation to join my BLW Signals group. It's a community of day traders that are providing support to each other 24/7 in a group chat. We have chat support. We have signals coming 24 hours, 20 hours actually, is what we covered on Monday through Friday. And we provide you with Forex, binary options, and turbo signals for you to make money. This is the biggest community of day trading and binary options in the world. So I just wanted to give you a warm invitation so that you can be part of this amazing community and start making money along with thousands of other people around the world starting up today. With that being said, let's jump into the content. Okay, people, so making $100 a day, it's possible nowadays. And with the tools that we have available in 2020, it's absolutely amazing the speed that you can make $100. Now, back in the days, probably around 10 years ago, it was nearly impossible to make $100 a day starting off in one single day. You could make $100 a day doing affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, but it would take a lot of time for you to actually get to the point where you would make $100. Nowadays, it's way easier. It's way faster and, well, not easier, but it's a lot simpler than it used to be in the past. And in this specific video, I want to focus on binary options specifically. Binary options is a day trading industry that it's been in the market for about 10 years now, probably a little bit more. And it's basically a way so that you can invest in options and buy predictions on whether certain currencies or assets will drop or jump on a very short amount of time. Now, when we're talking about stock trading, we're talking about pairs and prices on stocks that will move a lot slower, such as, let's say, for example, Facebook. I don't know where Facebook is. Let me see. There you go. So Facebook, if you notice, they do have a price action, and we can go to the daily chart so that we can see the drops that the price have been having during the, ever since January. Let me see, January. There you go. Here it started the year. Now you can see that the share price has actually dropped a lot. But that's not specifically what I want you to focus on. Yeah, stocks are cool, but if you're doing stock trading, you basically lost the money if you purchased a share in this specific part of Facebook because it dropped all the way to $138 while it was at $206. So you lost money on that specific action, right? When it comes to binary options though, you can make money from the drops of prices as well. What is it that I mean? For example, in binary options, my recommendation is that you actually trade using your global currency pairs, such as euros, such as dollars, such as Japanese yen, so on and so forth. That's what I recommend you to use. So if we focus right now, for example, in Euro USD, you see a bunch of movements around the chart. Here it dropped, now it jumped, now it dropped, now it jumped, now it dropped, now it jumped. And you can make money from both of the options, whether the price goes up or whether the price drops. Now, what is it that you need in order to start making money with binary options? Number one, you need a chart. A chart is what you're looking at right here, which is tradingview.com. I'm going to have the link to TradingView below in the description of this video so that you can get a free account. It's 100% free for you to use it. I recommend you to register with a Google account, 100% free, so that you don't get ads and pop-ups and stuff like that. They do have some plans for like $9 a month that allow you to use 2 minutes. We're going to talk about that in just a little bit, but basically it's 100% free so that you can actually use this trading chart. So you do need the trading chart. That's number one. Number two is you do need to check the economic calendar. Economic calendar, you can find it at investing.com. Then all you need to do is go to, go to investing.com. That's the first. Then you go to news and then you cruise over to economic calendar. And you will choose your current time. My time is mountain time. And there you can see the news of the day. They are not that specific at this point, and you don't really need to understand it that much, but this is what you need to avoid. These are bulls, okay? Bull news. So what you need to avoid is 3 bull news, like this one right here in GBP and Great Britain pound. We have more 3 bull news in Australian dollar in here and in here. So what you need to do is trade during low volatility, which means 1 or even 2 bull news as well. If you notice right now, there are no news in here. So what you need is first the trading chart, and second, you need the news control. This as well is 100% free. So we started good, right? And the third thing that you need is a broker account. What is a broker account? It's basically a trading platform that it's a website where you will be able to deposit money and trade using the prediction that you're gonna get inside of your trading chart. As simple as that, okay? As simple as that. And basically, in this video, I'm going to talk about Pocket Option, which is one of the best brokers that I have gotten to know during the last few years. Pocket Option is a broker available worldwide that offers binary options, even in countries where binary options are not allowed. I'm going to have the link below in the description of this video, and they do have a demo account so that you can give it a try. So these are the things that you need, right? The chart, the news, and the broker itself. How can you make $100 a day? The first thing that you need to take in consideration is that it doesn't really just depend on what pairs you trade, but how much money you have in your account. For example, right now in my account, I actually have $97.45. If I want to make $100 per day, I will need to double up my account. Here's 3 recommendations I want to give you before you start trading and you start blowing up your account because you want to get to those $100. The first rule that I want to give you is never invest more than 5 to 10% of your balance on each specific trade. These trades can be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, regardless of how much it will take the time for each trade. We're not going to talk about we're going to talk about one strategy in this video, but if you want to learn more strategies, I recommend you to go to my YouTube channel videos and look for support and resistance, which is the best one at the moment. But it won't depend on what strategy or what trade you place, what pair you trade with. It will depend on how much money you place on each specific trade and how many trades you win of those trades that you place. For example, right now you can see that the return of investment in this trade is 73%, which means that if I invest $100 in one trade, I will make, and I win it, I will win $73 in return. If I lose the trade, I will lose 100% on that specific lost trade. So what we focus on is on winning at least 3 out of 4 trades on a single day. 3 out of 4 trades on a single trade, which on a single day, which means 75% accuracy on each specific trading day, or at least during the week, right? This is the way you're supposed to do it, okay? It's not gonna start today, where if you start with a balance of $50, you will need to make 200% increase in your account in order to make that money. If you have $100, like the one I have right now, I will need to trade with $5 per trade. Why $5? If you're very new, I don't even recommend you to trade with 10% of your balance. Go with 5% so that your emotions don't control you and you don't get greedy and you don't get upset because you lost one trade. So this amount for 73%, that's $3.65 per trade. How many trades do I need to make in order to make $100? I will need to win 28 trades and not lose any of the trades. Okay? You notice that it's not that easy. I'm not going to place 28 trades today, but I can place the 28 trades during the week. 28 trades during the week slash 5. That's from 5 to 6 trades per day, but you need to win them all. So here's the key point of making $100 per day on binary options. You don't need to chase the $100 today. You need to chase a higher balance in your account. What is it that I mean? For example, if you have $100 in your account, most likely what you're gonna be doing, if you win the 3 trades, it's $10 minus $5 that you're gonna be losing for that trade that you lost. That's 3 out of 4. You make $5.95 per day. If you multiply that for 5 days a week, that's $29.75 times plus the 100 that you made, that's $130 at the end of this week. Okay, that's 30% increase in your account for that week. So if we make that same increase every single week, that's 30% plus 129, that's $167, $267 and 17, I'm sorry, and so on and so forth. So if you can make in 30% increase in your account every single week, it will take you about 4 to 6 weeks for you to actually get to a balance of, let's say, around $400. If you get to a balance of $400 times for 30%, that's $120 per week, right? So you can see that it's not a magic trick. There's no single thing that will tell you, hey, you're gonna make $20,000 in 24 hours. Those gurus that sell you that you can make $100 starting today and not knowing what to do, regardless of what balance you have, it's pure lie. So these are the real numbers. Realistically speaking, it will take you about 8 weeks for you to get to a balance from $100 to $1,000. Once you get to a balance of $1,000, your trades will be $50 times 73%. That's $36 times 3 that you won minus the 1 that you lose. That's $59 per day, even if you have a $1,000 balance. These are realistic numbers. I'm not lying to you. So we're talking about 2 or 3 months, within 2 to 3 months, that you will be able to start making $100 per day. However, once you start making $100 per day, that means that you have from $1,500 to $2,500 on your account. And that means that you're gonna be making around $2,500 per month in your trading account. If $2,500 is your base paycheck that you need to survive, then you can quit your job and you can work from home full time. That's the beauty of it. But if you notice, it's not gonna take you that much. It can take you easily 2 to 3 months, and you're gonna be at a level where you're gonna be able to work from home full time. Okay? Now, before probably you're discouraged and you're like, whoa, I thought you were gonna teach me how to make $100 today, starting today. No, but I'm gonna teach you a tool, a strategy where you will be able to make money from home starting off today. It's a very simple strategy. The first thing you do is a 2-minute chart. This one right here. In order to get 2 minutes in TradingView, you will need to have a membership for like $9 a month. There, you will be able to click in here and go over here where it says minutes. You add the chart of 2 minutes and click on add, and it will appear in this area. So we're in the 2-minute chart. This is Euro USD. All you need to do is add 3 moving average. The first one, and I'm gonna add the indicator in here, moving average. I'm gonna add 3. The first one though is going to be a period of 6. Yes, 6. And it's going to be a blue line. I'm going to get a darker one. There you go. Then the next one is going to be with a period of 14. And it's going to be a yellow color. Choose this one. And the last one is going to be a red line with a period of 26. This is the famous 2-minute strategy that is on YouTube. It's super famous and super profitable. What is it that you need to do? Very simple. All you need to do is wait for the blue line to cross the yellow line and invest for the next 2 minutes on the direction of the blue line. So for example here, once the blue line crosses the yellow line, you invest for a call for 2 minutes. This is exactly what I just did before. Let me see the trades, close trades. There you go. This one, if you notice this one, I placed it today at 1940. Today's April 6th. I placed it today. We're going to look for a different pair, and we're going to look for an opportunity to invest right now so that we can make it live. And again, same thing with a put. If the blue line goes below the yellow line, you enter for the next 2 minutes for a put. Okay, very, very simple. We're gonna look for an opportunity right here. This one looks kind of good. Let me see the payout in this pair. GBP, JPY, right? 63% payout. It's not that good, so I'm gonna look for a different one. But I think I'm gonna enter for this one, but I'm just gonna enter for like $1. There you go, just to give you a test. And here in pocket option, you choose M2, which is 2 minutes. Okay, once we see that this blue line crossed the yellow line below, like right now, we enter for 2 minutes and we enter for a put in 2 minutes. Right now, we're just gonna wait for these 2 minutes to expire. This candle should be a red one. It's not 100% in the money strategy, but it's from 75 to 95% accurate. There are certain indicators that you can add as an extra. Right now, I'm just giving you like an overview strategy, but my recommendation is go and type in 2-minute strategy on YouTube. You're gonna find a video from me with over 200,000 views from people making money around the world with this simple strategy. Right now, it's just giving you a fast tool so that you can start practicing today. My biggest recommendation as well is that you trade using demo so that you don't actually risk real money until you're 100% sure that you are ready to start trading with real money. If you notice right now, this is how the chart is going to look like. Now, you can use the chart of the actual broker, but my recommendation is to use this one, TradingView. It's faster, it's easy to use, it's trusted, and more importantly, you can use it for free, at least for different strategies, maybe not this one, but different strategies that are out there. Right now, this one looks kind of weird because if you notice, the moving average is moving weirdly right here. So probably we're gonna lose this one. But you get my point and you can start practicing. Again, if you want to see this strategy working, really, you should look for 2-minute strategy on YouTube. And you're going to find this strategy well explained. In this YouTube video, what I wanted to teach you is how you can, what should be your expectations if you want to make $100 per day working from home. In this video, I taught you about binary options and how you can use this type of business in order to start making $100 per day from home. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you understand what I'm saying, but if you have any additional questions, you can put it in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. And more importantly, if by any chance you have any if you enjoy the content of this video, I highly appreciate if you smash the like button and share this video with your friends and fellows that are looking forward to make money from home, especially in this specific situation. I really appreciate if we can get to more people and help the majority of people out there. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you on the next one.